and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making this bracelet over here, and I'll be making a separate charm and then making on the single chain bracelet. But I'm just going to be making a charm today because I don't want this video to be like really super long, so that's why I'm going to start off with a charm, and maybe you can figure out a way how to make it with a single chain. Just add on the single chain. So this is, guys, hook only, so you'll be needing a crochet, any type of hook, a beginner's, any type of hook will work. So which colors you'll be needing is like a blue. So instead of the blue, today I'm going to be using this pink, kind of orangish pink. And for the yellow parts, if you can see these yellow parts, that's going to be orange, this dark orange. So yeah, let's get started. And take that away. So today you'll be needing a hook, beads, and some bands. Let me get my bands on camera. And you won't actually be needing these many bands. I just got some more because if some pop, then yeah, I just got some extra. So yeah, let's get started. So like 1 second. So I'm just gonna use this example. So we're gonna be doing the blue part right now. So you can actually do this with your hands. I'm not going to be using my hook because it's hard with my hook, but you can, if you can put a bead through your hook, I can't. So yeah, I'll just be using my hands today. So you can take your first colors in your color sequence, and you don't have to put this little extra bead on, this blue, dark blue bead. I just put that for fun, so you'll be needing 5 or 6 beads, however you want. So you're going to take the blue part, you see that middle blue part? That's going to be your color. I'm using pink for that. And you're going to just pinch it kind of and put it inside that bead. And I did this in my other video, my beadly bead bracelet. So you just pinch it and put it in. So if you watch that, it'll be easy for you to make these little hoops. So you have to make them with all your colors. Next is my pink. Pink through. Oh, what happened? What just happened to this pink? Okay, instead of pink, I'll be using purple on camera. So pinch it and then put that band through the bead, like that. I'm sorry about the background noise if you hear it. Another band, and this is for your blue part. Oopsie, I took the wrong bead. And you pinch it, and you put it inside. So you won't actually be needing 6 beads in this bracelet, but you can use 5 or 6, however you want. So I did another one. Bead, pinch your band, and then put it through that little hoop. And make sure you have bands that can fit through beads, so they can fit through beads. Again, you're going to take that band, and now you're going to put it inside. But you'll still be needing your hook after all. So now I did all my 5 hoops. And then we're going to start out doing these, the yellow bands. If you don't want the yellow bands, skip to the end and see how you do that. So how you ended up. So now you'll be needing your hook. So you can take your first color in your color sequence, like in this one, sorry, let me just fix that. Yeah, in this one, mine was yellow, and I'm using yellow again. So you're gonna take your hook and put it inside those, oopsie, inside those 2 hoops. So I put it inside 1. Oopsie, I just failed that. Okay, I'll help. So you pinch it and you put it through. Right, yeah, you pinch it and you put it through. And it's okay if it's twisted in the inside, but it'll still be the same bracelet. So you put it inside 1 hoop, then put inside 2 hoops. So we're doing the yellow part over here. So for yellow, I'm going to be using this orange over here, this dark kind of orange. And you're just going to pull that through. So we have your 2 things on your hook. Take a band like that, and you pull it through. Oopsie. Pull it through those. Okay, pull through those hoops. The other side you're holding, you're gonna put that up. Okay. Now you're just gonna keep that on your hook, and you're gonna do one more of those. Well, 5 more, but you put the band in, other side of the band in. Now you take another band, and you take it, and the other color, your yellow or your orange, and you pull only those pink bands through. Only those pink bands through, and we're just gonna store them on our hook, like that, like the other side. And if you don't want to store these on your hook, you can store them like that. You can take them off and make sure they're still staying, because some people say, oh, they're falling off, so I can't do this without. So you can get a longer hook, but yeah. I have a longer hook, but I'm not using it today. So you put it in, see, you stretch, I think just stretch it a bit, and you put it like that. Take your orange colored band, and you're gonna put it through. If you don't know how to put it through, you always hold the other side of the band, and again, you pull the other hoop through. And then that one's on the still hook, and then yeah, oopsie, oopsie, oopsie. No, a fail just happened. So again, you put this through. Why is that band there? So, like this, sorry. Take a band, pull everything through. Like that. Now store it. Like that. Take your, okay, we have to do 2 more. So this one and then another one. So you pull those 2 things, oopsie, in like that. Take a band, pull it through. One last one, so you store this off your hook. Take your last one, pull a band through. I just had extra bands. Just pull. Oopsie. Oh, no. Pull those bands through. No. No, why am I'm putting them in the wrong place. This orange band. So then you pull through. So now we're gonna keep these on your hook, like that. And the other ones, you can still store them on your hook. So all of them, in their color order. So then mine is gonna be my yellow. Oopsie. Yeah, these beads make a lot of noise. And you store all of them on your hook in your color sequence. Take this, you pull through. I'm sorry about the background noise a lot. So my hook's kind of small, but I'm not getting my big hook now. So you pull through that and that. And now we're gonna start making the charm. So these are really tight on my crochet hook. But so now you can take, I'm not gonna use orange for this. I kind of use this yellowish orange color, but I'm gonna be using this neon kind of pinkish and orangish color. And you're gonna put on your hook like that, and you pull all of those little hoops through. So if you see all of those hoops like that, it should be looking like this. Oh, all of them. Yeah, it should be looking like this now. Like that. And then put the other side up. So it should actually be looking like this. Like this, kind of. And then you're going to slip knot this by taking this band. And then you're going to take it and you're going to put it inside the middle and slip. Kind of tighten it. Take it off. And make sure you're tightening it a lot. I'm stretching it a lot. And there's your charm. But if you want to add this blue thing, then you have to Well, you have to take a little bead and you put it through inside that band, like, oopsie. So I'm not going to be doing that, but you just put it inside these two, these little hoops. I'll show you how to do it, but I'll take it off. So you pinch this band over here. You see that little hole, and you put it inside the hole, like that. And that's how you form it. And you can make this bracelet on the single chain. You just have to figure out how to add a single chain, because I'm not going to be showing you. But yeah, this is it. Kind of looks similar. Well, I didn't use the same colors in this and this because I don't have light pink in that one or that dark pink. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. And thank you for watching. Bye.